division of number with numerator 1 and denominator ending with 9. So what is the topic I have written here? Division of numbers with numerator 1 and denominator ending with 9. Trick here is division of numbers with numerator 1 and denominator ending with 9. Okay, so see here, this is 1 divided by, suppose I am writing 1 divided by 19. Okay, or if I am writing 1 divided by 9, you can do it easily, 1 divided by 9. So I am taking 1 divided by 19. Okay, so what you will do? By long division method, you are going to divide it like this, that is 19 outside, 1 inside, then you will take here decimal, it will be 1, then again 0, then it will become 100, then you will read the table of 19 and you will do the division. Not at all. I am not going to do this thing now. Okay, by short trick, how you can find the division of this type of number, just see here. See, what you have to do, numerator will always be 1. Okay, and denominator will be different, but the condition is कि ending number should be 9. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to add the numerator with the first number of denominator, that means the number leaving 9. Okay, so here is 1, here is also 1, so 1 plus 1, that is 2. Okay, so now 2 will be your common divisor. What I am saying, remember, 2 will be your common divisor. ठीक है, अभी इतना ही ध्यान रखना है हमें करना क्या है अभी. Now, as you all know that when the numerator is less than the denominator, it will always start with decimal. So put here decimal, and before decimal, if no number is there, we use 0. Okay, so now start doing. Now what you have to do, as I said, 1 plus 1, 2, so 2 is the common divisor. Now what you will do, you have to go on dividing 2 with the numbers. So first of all, by which number you are going to divide? You are going to divide by the numerator always, that is 1. Okay, so 2 divided by 1. So what is 2 divided by 1? Obviously it will be not in the table of 2, 1. So here the quotient will be 0 and the remainder will be 1. 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2, that is 2 zeros are 0 and remainder will be 1. Getting? So this becomes 10. Now how you have to read it? This first and then this. So this becomes 10. Okay. Now you have to divide 10 by 2. Again 2. So you have to go on dividing 2 by 2 only. Okay. So 10 divided by 2. Now the quotient is 5. And no remainder. So here will not be any number. Okay. Now this becomes 5. Okay. Now 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2. So quotient will be 2. 2 2s are 4. And remainder will be 1. 2 2s are 4. And remainder will be 1. Is it clear? Now this becomes 12, not 21. This becomes 12. हमको कैसे पढ़ना है उसको? पहले इसको पढ़ना है फिर इसको. So this becomes 12. Okay. Now again 2 divided by 12. So this becomes 6. 12 divided by 2. Okay. So this becomes 6. Quotient is 6 and no remainder. Now again 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Okay. Now again 3 divided by 2, that is quotient will be 1 and remainder will be again 1. So this becomes 11. Okay. Now 11 divided by 2, that is 5. 2 5s are 10 and the remainder is 1. Okay. You are getting? Clear हो रहा है? So this becomes 15. Now 15 divided by 2, that is 2 7s are 14 and again the remainder will be 1. Okay. Now this becomes 17. Now 17 divided by 2, that is 2 8s are 16. Okay, now again remainder is 1. Now this becomes 18. Okay, now 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So it will go on like this till which decimal number you want to find, you can find it easily. So interesting, without long division you can find the division of 1 upon 19. Okay, either initially you will take time, afterwards when you will be in habit, within 1 or 2 seconds you will be able to find the division of 1 by 19, 1 by 29, 1 by 39, 1 by 49, even 1 by 89. Okay, so I'm just repeating the explanation because it takes time to understand it. Just pay attention again. Okay, see here, what you have to do, first of all you have to put decimal, okay, as the numerator is less than the denominator. So here is the decimal. Now what you have to do, you have to add in the previous number 1. Okay, that means you have to take next number. Here is 1, so after 1, that is 2. Okay, so your common divisor will be the next number after this number. Clear? So your common divisor here is 2. Okay, getting? Now just see here. Now first of all you have to divide this 2 by this number. So 1 divided by 2. Okay, 1 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2, the quotient is 0 and the remainder is 1. Clear? 1 divided by 2, the quotient, because it is not divisible, so obviously you will write down zeros are 0 and the remainder will be 1. Okay, so now this becomes 10. Okay, now how you have to read it? 1's place, 10's place. So this becomes 10 now. Okay, now 10 divided by 2, that is 5. Clear? Now 5 divided by 2, that is quotient will be 2 and the remainder will be 1. 2 2's are 4 and the remainder is 1. So it becomes 12. Okay, now 12 divided by 2, that is 6. Okay, now 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Okay, now 3 divided by 2, that is 1 quotient and remainder again 1. Okay, now this becomes 11. Okay, now 11 divided by 2, that is 5's are 10 and the remainder is 1. Okay, this becomes 15. Okay, now 15 divided by 2, that is 7. 2 7's are 14 and the remainder is 1. So this becomes 17. Okay, 17 divided by 2, that is 8's are 16 and the remainder is 1. So this becomes 18. Now 18 divided by 2, that is 9. Okay, so I think so this is clear to all of you. Okay, interesting. Now we'll take one more example of this type of sum, then you can have fun and you can do afterwards the different sums of division like this, 1 by 39, 1 by 49, 1 by 59, 1 by 69, like this, any number. Okay, I am taking the example. See, suppose example is 1 upon 39. Okay, 1 upon 39. See, 1 numerator, denominator is 3. 3 plus 1, that is 4. So common divisor will be 4. Okay, now what will be the common divisor? 4. Now go on dividing 4 by the coming numbers. Okay, so see, here is 1. Okay, 1 divided by 4. First of all, 1 divided by 4, that is 0 quotient, remainder 1, as same case here. Okay, so this becomes 10. Now 10 divided by 4, that is 2 quotient and remainder again 2. Okay, this becomes 22. Now 22 divided by 4, that is 5's are 20 and the remainder is 2. Okay, now 25 divided by 4, that is 4 6's are 24 and the remainder is 1. So this becomes 16. Now 16 divided by 4, that is 4, no remainder. Okay, now 4 divided by 4, that is 1. Now again 1 divided by 4, that is 0 and the remainder is 1. So the same situation arises here also, that is 10 and 10. Okay, so now the same numbers will repeat here. Okay, so see, 10 divided by 4, that is 2 again and the remainder is 2. This becomes 22. Okay, now 22 divided by 4, that is again 5's are 20, remainder is 2. This becomes 25. Now again divided by 4, that is 6 quotient, and the remainder is 1. Now again this becomes 16. Now 16 divided by 4, that is 4. Okay, now again 4 divided by 4, that is 1. Okay, so it will go on like this. So you have observed that this decimal, this fraction is recurring decimal. Okay, you have observed, because it is repeating 0.025641, then 0.25641. Okay, it will go on like this, but we have calculated according to this pattern. Okay, so within 1 or 2 minutes we'll be able to calculate the division of 1 upon 39. Okay, this is how you can take other examples also, 1 upon 49, 1 upon 59. Okay.